This duck saved 100 pieces of bread. Last year, that bread could buy 10 lunch baskets, but this year, it only buys 8. So, where did the other 2 lunches go? The duck checks its nest, but every piece of bread is still there. It even investigates a few suspicious looking geese. Nothing was stolen. The duck heads to the bread shop and discovers the real problem. Last year, one lunch cost 10 pieces of bread. Now, the shop wants more bread for the exact same lunch. When prices rise over time, that is called inflation. There was once a time when one bread token could buy a worm sandwich, a duck hat, and even a bus ticket. Now that same token can barely afford the sandwich. The bread did not physically get smaller. It just buys less than it used to. That loss of buying power is one of inflation's biggest effects. But why do prices rise in the first place? Imagine a machine suddenly creates mountains of new bread tokens. Now every duck has more bread to spend, but the bakery still has the same number of lunches. More bread tokens, same lunch. A crowd of hungry ducks is now chasing a limited supply of food. The bakery starts running low, and the baker realizes ducks are willing to pay more. So, prices rise. The bakery can also face higher costs. Flour gets more expensive. Delivery fees increase, bills pile up, and workers still need to be paid. To cover those expenses, the baker charges more for every loaf and sandwich. Those costs are passed directly to the innocent, hungry ducks. But the pressure does not stop there. As sandwiches, bus tickets, and other essentials become more expensive, ducks need more bread just to afford their normal lives. So they ask for higher wages or bigger allowances. But paying workers more raises costs for businesses again. Businesses may respond by raising prices again. Higher prices lead to higher wages. Higher wages lead to higher costs. And around the cycle goes. Meanwhile, the bread sitting inside the duck's nest is slowly losing buying power. The duck watches all the things it could have bought disappear one by one. A sandwich, a hat, a bus ticket, gone. This is why some ducks choose to invest part of their bread instead of leaving all of it inside the nest. Investing gives their bread a chance to grow over time, but growth is never guaranteed, and investing comes with risks too. The goal is not to panic, it is to understand that inflation slowly changes what your bread can buy. Hope you enjoyed, and please subscribe for more finance explained with ducks. Every subscriber means one more slice of bread for the flock. Ducks get bread.